Hi third graders in room 15. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do science with Ms Martinez. We're going to go on a simple machine hunt. Shout out to Brittany for encouraging me to do this one. For this simple machine hunt, you will need a Sharpie to label the simple machines. Oh, is that not a good idea? Ozzy's right. It's probably a better idea if I just use sticky notes to label the simple machines I find. I'm in my living room and I think I found my favorite simple machine, the pulley. The blinds are actually using a pulley to go up and down. A pulley is a rope wrapped around a wheel, and it's used to lift heavy objects. So when I pull on the string, I can see that I have a pulley. I'm gonna pause my simple machine hunt to water my plant. I think I found a simple machine. My spray bottle actually has a screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder or a cone. It's used to hold things together. So this screw is used to hold the nozzle to the spray bottle. And you can see that little inclined plane wrapped around the cylinder. Boop! I'm in my kitchen. There has to be simple machines in here. I think I see a wedge. Knives are wedges because they're wide at one end and pointed at the other. But if you're on a simple machine hunt, make sure you ask a grown-up before you start looking at the knives. So here's a knife. I can see that at the top it is wider, and then at the very edge right here it is pointed. Knives are used to cut or slice, like that. Boop! I'm gonna look in the toolbox and see if I can find any simple machines. Ooh, a hammer with a claw. A hammer is actually a lever because a lever is a stiff bar that moves around a fulcrum. So when you put the nail in between the claw and you go like this, the center of the hammer becomes a fulcrum and you're applying the force to lift the nail out. I'm going to label my hammer as a lever. Boop! In my dining room I have lots of supplies. I have some scissors. Scissors are a compound machine, which means it is a combination of two or more simple machines. Scissors have two wedges used to cut and slice, and then they have a lever, which is used to help the wedges move. I'm going to label this a compound machine. Boop. I can't find any more simple machines inside my apartment, so now I'm going to go outside. Remember, if you're on a simple machine hunt, make sure you're with a grown-up and safety first. I was walking down the stairs and look what I found. A wheel and axle. A wheel and axle is a rod attached to a wheel. It makes it easier to move or turn things. Boop. Now I'm outside and I think I found my last simple machine, the inclined plane. This driveway is an inclined plane because it is a flat surface that is raised on one end right there, so that it's higher than the other. It is used to move heavy things like a car driving up the driveway. Boop. Now that we're done with my simple machine hunt, you can go on your own. If you have any video requests, please let me know. I miss you guys so much. I wish we could be in school.